We've always been really active in going outside of just what is the minimum requirements by the GMPs. By that I mean the FDA is we must adhere to for the dietary supplements. But what was also done is we've gone out to third-party organizations. We sell product to Canada, so we also have to be compliant with their regulations, which is governed under the NNHPD now. We also sell product to Australia, and so we also have certification with the TGA.
You know, a lot of manufacturers will say that they manufacture to FDA compliance or requirements and that they're following CGMP regulations. But the FDA doesn't come through, you can't guarantee that they're going to come through and evaluate any manufacturer. And they certainly don't certify. You know, they'll only tell you when you're doing things wrong. They don't necessarily say, hey, you're doing these things right. With these third-party certifications and also with the TGA certification, they come in and audit us on a regular basis. So we're audited on average probably every 3 to 6 months. It's good for us because it lets us focus on continual quality improvements. So they come in, they give us a lot of insight, getting somebody else in, kind of looking at you in a way that you're not maybe accustomed to looking at yourself, and let us know where we may be able to improve, what we can do to really better the processes that we have in place.